I think personal branding is the next step of networking, which is not only actively approaching people, it is basically being noticed in order to allow people to approach you in some way. And this is a higher level of networking, right? And of course, people should first try and learn the system and understand how to network correctly, and then go to the next stage, which is the personal branding. So, what is personal branding, and why it is so important nowadays?
Yeah, well, everyone is basically already doing personal branding when they're on LinkedIn, right? Because your name is viewed and you have an avatar with your photo. So that's your brand. That's who you are. Um, yeah, why is personal branding important? You know, if you want to, yeah, have a larger network, if you want to have better career opportunities, if you want to build your business, it's good if people know you. And if people know that, you know, what you've studied and what type of projects you work on. Let's say you've been sharing a lot of insights on a certain project, or, you know, engaging more with people in that certain area. Um, at a later stage, when people think of a certain topic, let's say they're looking for someone who has a preclinical development expertise in the area of oncology, they might think, hey, I know someone who's very engaged on this topic. So that's personal branding.
Who should really consider working on it, really developing it?
I think everyone in the professional space, not at the same level, you know, there, if you're satisfied with your job and you're happy being on the background, that's fine. If you're really looking for other career opportunities, or you want to grow, or you want to, you know, become an entrepreneur or network, then definitely personal branding is important. And you know, LinkedIn is just very effective. You can do, you can send out CVs, you can go to events, but you know, on LinkedIn, it's so effective to build your brand that yeah, it's a great opportunity.
So, how do you start?
So where you start is definitely starting by updating your profile, making sure your profile looks good, it looks complete. You know, giving some descriptions per job that you had in the past. What did you do? What was your role? What did you learn out of it? I think that's a good start. And the other thing is, you know, if you want to establish thought leadership in certain areas, you can also comment on certain posts in that area. Maybe there's a post about a certain new technology or an article, then just share your insights, right? Because other people, when they scroll through their feed, they will see what things you have to say. And that's a good start for starting your personal branding.